Selling photos online is a great way to earn money on the side. You don't need to be a professional photographer or have an expensive camera to make money with photography. There are several ways that you can sell photos online. In this video, we will discuss some of the best photo sales websites and how you can make money from your mobile pictures. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. Now, let's jump to our today video. Selling photos online is a great way to make money from photos. It doesn't take much time and the possibilities are endless. It is a great way to make money from photos because you can do it anytime, anywhere, and it doesn't take up much of your time. You can sell your pictures as prints, on canvas, or even as digital downloads. And there are so many ways to monetize your photography skills. How to choose which platform is best for you. Choosing which platform is best for you can be a difficult process. There are a few things that you should keep in mind when deciding on which platform to use. First, what type of photos do you want to sell? If you have professional-looking photos, then a site like Shutterstock might be the best option for you. However, if your photos are more amateur and personal, then an app like Instagram or Flickr might be better for your needs. Second, how much time do you have? If you're looking to make some quick money and don't have much time to upload your photos and wait for them to get approved, then using sites like Shutterstock. What is Shutterstock? Shutterstock is a stock photography website that offers millions of high-quality, royalty-free images, illustrations, and videos to help creators like you create better content. Shutterstock was founded in 2003 with the goal of providing quality imagery and footage to creative professionals who might not otherwise have access to such resources. Today, Shutterstock provides over 80 million photographs and illustrations from 100,000 contributors to customers in 190 countries. What is Shutterstock Contributor? The Shutterstock Contributor program is the leading platform for photographers and illustrators to sell their work and make money every time a customer buys a license to their work on Shutterstock. It's the largest contributor program and accounts for up to 50% of all revenue for some photographers. In other words, you upload your images of photos, illustrations, and icons, and if someone buys them through Shutterstock, you get a commission. Shutterstock Contributor Earnings. As a Shutterstock contributor, you receive 15% to 40% of the image price. Your percentage depends on the image, or video, tiers, which are based on the number of downloads of your content. So every time a customer downloads your photo, you get one download. So to earn more as a Shutterstock contributor, you need to upload more content that gets downloaded more often. How do you get paid? You will be paid at the end of each month when you reach the minimum payout amount of $35. You can get paid through Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Now you can learn everything from the initial steps of starting making money online, to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Get more information today. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.